Oh, guys. I didn't know it was recording. But anyways, guys, what's up? And today, we are going to do, can you microwave that? I think someone else did it. So, I think, Jake Paul did it. Go check out his channel. I gotta suck his channel, but he got a good channel. Okay, let's see what I microwaved. A banana peel? Ew. Look at that, guys. I microwaved a banana peel. Let's see what happens when I microwave it for longer. Let's microwave it for like 25 seconds. I don't know what happened, but my camera died, and this is what I microwaved this. It just got hot, so I don't want to microwave it again. Don't microwave it. Do not microwave it. I'm actually gonna go find some more stuff to microwave. Wait, no. Cause the banana, oh my gosh, it's smoking. Oh, it doesn't smell good. It smells weird. Look at that, it's steaming. Oh, nasty. It's banana peel. That's how you make a rotten banana peel. Alex stunk up the whole house. Let's go see what else we can microwave. Let's try to microwave gummies. What? Oh, geez. Just for fun, we're going to do it with the plastic. This is not good. Hopefully not. Hopefully it goes well. Wait, plate. Always gotta have a plate. I'm only going to put it in for like 10 seconds because I don't want it to catch on fire. Oh, jeez! Take that out right now. Oh my god. What the heck, bro? It smells so bad, but look at that. Oh! Is it hot? No, it's not hot, but look at that. It instantly. I don't know if I'm going to be able to eat these. But oh my god, it just shrunk the package until gummies are fine. Let's just microwave the gummies. They're a little bit melted. Gummies are going to be fine. Let's try to melt the gummies all the way. 1 more second, then 25. But this banana, how to instantly rot a banana. It's like, okay, when you microwave, what happens? It rots a banana. Duh. You guys didn't know that. Now you know. Now you know. Whoa, gummies. Ew. Light poor Skylander stuff. Oh. Ugh. Ew, it's all jelly. It's like Jello. Look at that. Ah, it's freaking hot. Oh, dude, some of the gummies didn't get melt. Tastes good. Oh, but it's so satisfying to touch. These gummies just went boom, done. But, that's what happens when you melt gummies. Let's go find something else. Oh, marshmallows. I didn't even plan this out. Screwed up. We're going to do 2 marshmallows. Oh no, the gummy's stuck. Fork. Gummies, I would like you to get off. See, this is why I didn't do it. Oh my gosh. It's gonna taste so good after when it's done. Because I just know, because I know gummies taste good. I'm actually saving this. Awesome. Put it on a gummy wrapper. Yeah. Let's put these marshmallows. I don't know where to put it. Warm gummies taste good. Yep, marshmallows are set up. Camera set up. Marshmallows. Marshmallows.
How are you putting that?
I don't know.
Then you get big.
Yeah. I'm out of here.
Hey, you can't.
Alright guys, bye.